Good morning everybody. Myself Raghuveer Jha. I am going to teach about properties of multiplication. The properties of multiplication are commutative law, associative law, closure law. The first law is commutative law. That means if we change the order of two numbers or fractions, then their product remains same. For example, 1 by 4 into 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. That means changing the order of fractions, the result remains same. Associative law, it indicates that changing the order of the groups, the product remains the same. For example, if we make the group of 1 by 4 separate and 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, then their product will be equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 bracket into 1 by 2 in separate. That means changing the group, the product remains same. If we multiply any number by 0, then its product will be 0. If we multiply any number by 1, then its product will be the number itself. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Multiplying a fractional number by another fractional number. Let us multiply 2 by 5 by 3 by 7. 2 by 5 into 3 by 7 is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 into 7. We multiply the numerators and denominators separately in fractional multiplication. For example, if we multiply 1 whole 4 by 5 by 9 whole 1 by 3, then 1 whole 4 by 5 is equal to 5 1 are 5 plus 4 9 by 5 into 9 3 are 27 1 28 by 3. Now 9 into 28 by 5 into 3, we cancel 9 by 3, 3 3 are 9 is equal to 3 into 28 by 5 into 1 is equal to 84 by 5 is equal to 16 whole 4 by 5. To multiply two fractional numbers, we multiply the numerators and denominators separately. Multiply 1 by 10, 2 by 3 and 5 by 8. There are three numbers, but we multiply in the same way. We multiply all the numerators and all the denominators separately and write their product. Thus 1 by 10 into 2 by 3 into 5 by 8 is equal to 1 into 2 into 5 by 10 into 3 into 8 is equal to 1 by 24. Multiplication of two fractional numbers. What is 2 by 3 into 1 by 5? 2 by 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 2 into 1 by 3 into 5 is equal to 2 by 15. Let us interchange the places of the fractional number. 1 by 5 into 2 by 3 is equal to 1 into 2 by 5 into 3 is equal to 2 by 15. We observe that the product in both the cases is same. That is 2 by 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 into 2 by 3. If two fractional numbers are multiplied in either order, the product remains the same. This is also known as commutative law. That means changing the order of the fractional numbers, the product remains same. Second law, multiplication of a fractional number by 1. What is 3 by 5 into 1? 3 by 5 into 1 is equal to 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. If a fractional number is multiplied by 1, the product is the fractional number itself. Multiplication of fractional number by 0. Whenever we multiply any fraction by 0, then its product will remain 0. For example, when we multiply 7 by 11 into 0, it will be equal to 7 into 0 by 11 is equal to 0 by 11 is equal to 0. If a fractional number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Multiplication of three fractional numbers, 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. We make group of 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 and 3 by 4 is multiplied separately. In another order, we make group of 1 by 5 and 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 is separate. We observe that the products of these two groupings are same. Here 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 10 into 3 by 4, and in right side again 1 by 2 into bracket में 1 by 5 into 3 by 4 is multiplied is equal to 3 by 20. So thus we observe that the product of LHS and RHS are same is equal to 3 by 40. Hence these numbers follow associative law. That means changing the group of fractional numbers, the product remains same. If three fractional numbers are multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. Now I give you some classwork to solve it in class. First question is multiply the following fractional numbers: A 2 by 3 into 4 by 5, and B 3 by 8 into 5 by 11, C 3 whole 1 by 4 into 8 by 9, D 1 by 10 into 2 by 3 into 5 by 8, E 1 whole 9 by 13 into 2 whole 4 by 11, F 4 by 5 into 7 by 8 into 24 by 35. From worksheet 8, the questions are: fill in the blanks. In A, 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 is equal to bracket into 4 by 5. 7 by 13 into box is equal to 9 by 17 into box. In C, 1 whole half into box is equal to 1 whole half. In D, 5 by 6 into 1 is equal to box. E, 2 whole 5 by 7 into box is equal to 0. F, box into 1 is equal to 15 by 28. G, 2 by 5 into box into 5 by 6 is equal to 3 by 7 into 5 by 6 into box. Now I give you in homework worksheet 7 and 8, complete it of unit 4. Thank you and have a nice day.